Scottsdale's rental market is thriving, with demand driven by both long-term residents and seasonal visitors seeking the comfort and lifestyle the city has to offer. For property owners, staying competitive means making smart upgrades that enhance both tenant satisfaction and long-term value. One improvement that often goes overlooked, but delivers significant returns, is window installation. Modern, energy-efficient windows are not just cosmetic upgrades, they're an investment that pays off in multiple ways for Scottsdale rental property owners. Boosting curb appeal and marketability. First impressions matter in real estate, especially in the rental market where prospective tenants are comparing multiple properties. Outdated or damaged windows can make a building look neglected, while new windows immediately elevate a property's curb appeal. In Scottsdale's competitive rental environment, modern windows with clean frames and fresh finishes give your property a polished, well-maintained appearance. This visual upgrade can make your listing stand out online and in person, helping you attract quality tenants more quickly. Attracting energy-conscious tenants. With Scottsdale's hot desert climate, energy efficiency is a top priority for tenants. Renters are increasingly looking for homes and apartments that help reduce utility costs. Properties with older, inefficient windows often lead to higher cooling bills, a drawback that may push potential tenants toward more modern rentals. Installing energy-efficient windows with low E coatings and insulated glass demonstrates your commitment to sustainability and cost savings. Highlighting these features in your listing can appeal to eco-conscious renters and justify higher rental rates. Improving indoor comfort. Tenant satisfaction is the foundation of a successful rental business. When a property is comfortable year-round, tenants are more likely to stay longer, reducing turnover costs. New windows minimize drafts and block out Scottsdale's intense summer heat, creating consistent indoor temperatures and reducing reliance on air conditioning. By making your rental more comfortable, you not only retain tenants but also build a positive reputation that can lead to stronger demand and word-of-mouth referrals. Noise reduction for tenant peace. Many Scottsdale rental properties are located near busy roads, entertainment districts, or growing neighborhoods with ongoing construction. Outside noise can be a deal-breaker for tenants seeking a peaceful living space. Modern windows with insulated glass and advanced seals reduce noise infiltration significantly. Offering a quieter home environment becomes a strong selling point, particularly for tenants working from home or families with young children. Protecting property value. Installing new windows is not just about short-term benefits, it's also a long-term investment in your property's value. Windows play a major role in both the aesthetic and structural integrity of a building. Old, drafty, or deteriorating windows can reduce your property's market value, while modern replacements improve durability and overall worth. Should you decide to sell your Scottsdale rental property, new windows can boost resale value and make the home more appealing to buyers who don't want the hassle of immediate upgrades. Tax and depreciation benefits. As a rental property owner, certain upgrades can qualify for tax advantages through depreciation. While it's always best to consult a tax professional, window installation often qualifies as a capital improvement. This means you may be able to recover some of the costs over time, making the investment even more financially attractive. Conclusion: a smart move for Scottsdale investors. For Scottsdale rental property owners, window installation offers more than just a cosmetic facelift. It's a strategic move that increases marketability, tenant satisfaction, and long-term property value. From energy efficiency and comfort to noise reduction and financial benefits, new windows deliver results that make your property stand out in a competitive market. By investing in modern window installation today, you're positioning your rental property for greater success tomorrow. It's a smart, cost-effective way to keep your tenants happy and your bottom line strong.